Hi and welcome to another support video from Instrument Choice. In this video we'll be unboxing and setting up the IC-pH60. The IC-pH60 is a premium pocket pH tester kit. The tester features a double junction electrode, simultaneous temperature and pH display, and has multi-point calibration. The ready-to-use kit comes with everything you need in order to make accurate pH measurements. This includes the instruction manual and a handy laminated quick guide. The laminated quick guide includes information on changing the batteries, calibrating, as well as some measuring tips. The device itself comes with batteries and a clear cap to protect the electrode. Also included in the kit is a lanyard, soaking solution, calibration caps, and both pH 4 and 7 buffer solutions. Getting started is easy. All you need to do is remove the white tab covering the batteries, press the top on button, and you're ready to go. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.